What's going on YouTube? It's your boy JS392 back with another one. Today what we're going to be doing is installing some footwell lighting and nice little key fob cover, and also this little wind restrictor plate that I got from this company called Wind Restrictor. A couple of nice little mods. I got some boxes in the house, so we're going to do some unboxing, and then we're going to do some installation. So let's get to it. Alright YouTube, so let's get started with the first one. I'm gonna go with the little one first. There we are. Basically I got this off of Amazon. There's a couple of little things that I wanted and I feel like, you know, cool little touches. See here, right here, nice little key cover. I made sure I got it in black because a lot of my friends, they have the key cover in red, and to me, that's like another form of up-badging because you're making people think you got the red-eye key or the whatever, the Hellcat key. And this right here is black on red, so it's not going to deceive people, especially with the Rumblebee right there. It feels nice, you know, your regular run-of-the-mill rubber material, so it's cool. And then here, I got me another set of door lights for the doors. These, I believe, just have the Dodge logo or the Charger logo. I'm not exactly sure. I think it says Charger. I was looking for one that says Dodge, but nobody had them. So we'll go with these. Hopefully they match up nicely with the other ones. Alright, and here we have the big one. Show y'all what it is. I don't have a knife. Well, I didn't feel like getting a knife. I got this boy from a company called Wind Restrictor. I've seen it on a couple of vehicles. So let me go get my own. These look actually pretty cool. I have a nice look to the car, especially at night. So, alright. Ooh. And you can always get a customized one with a nice logo. They do a lot of good etching. Here we are. Oh, more tape. Okay. As you can tell, I'm not really good at these unboxings, but I'm doing what I can. Alright, there we go. Open this bad boy up real quick so you guys can see. There she is, y'all. Woo, sexy. Got the Scatpack logo. There's some honeycombs behind it. Velcro, so it's easy to stick on. Very nicely etched. Good quality. Over here is a light bar. You can change different colors. You can get one with static color, but it's always good to get the multicolor ones because they have different functions. But yeah, this thing is gonna look mean at night. Can't wait to install it. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is everything right out of the box. I also got it with the cigarette lighter adapter so that it's easier to just do plug and play. The instructions, some of them have videos for them. So you look at this QR code and you get an instructional video on how to install the heat sinks. Then you have pretty much instructions to install it towards the adapter. And it looks, I don't know, it looks pretty straight through if you know about wiring. You have 4 little wires here, 2 here, so I'm pretty sure the adapter does all that conversion. So let me open the box for that now, which is right here. So yeah, here's the remote, and here is the adapter. So I guess the 4 little color ones here, and to my cigarette lighter plug thingy goes right there. So looks pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions and start putting the wires together before I actually go install it in the vehicle. And here are the instructions to install the adapter. You wanna pause it real quick, take a look in case you get it yourself, or pretty sure they're gonna give you your own. So that's why I'm not going into it too much, and just a thank you and picture installation instructions, which hopefully if you watch the video I make it a little bit easier for you. And they actually have a video on their website as well. It's pretty easy. It's just Velcro. You put it where you need to go, and that's about it. This is for people who want to install it in their light fixture, but all I have to do is pretty much just this part once I connect the adapter to the plug. Alright, so the instructions are insanely simple. So you have a black wire, red, green, and blue. And the way the instructions break it down is the V is black, and then RGB stands for red, green, and blue. So then over here you have negative and positive, which is you got red and black. It's the simplest installation. You got to unscrew it a little bit with a Phillips head and put it back down, connect it, and then you can test it. Simple. So that's what we're going to do right now. Alright, everything is set up. Here we go. So like I said, pretty straightforward. Now we're going to go to the vehicle and test it out, see if it works. Alright, so here we are. I'm just going to put it in, let's go 12 volt to make sure everything is connected properly. Make sure I get in the shot. Okay, here we are. Alright, we have power, ladies and gentlemen. This thing already looks sick. Ooh, I can't wait to finish installing it. So I'm gonna head to the back of the vehicle and we're gonna finish everything up. Alright, so the way the company designed this thing is pretty simple to install. Just use the Velcro, pull your seats back, latch it on, and you're good. Just want to make sure you line it up properly the way you want. You can always adjust it later on, because again it is Velcro. Alright, so here we are, and I think right above these headrests should be fine. Just want to make sure it's even. I believe that might be the spots. Yeah, looks about right. Again, you can always readjust it later on. Make sure I run the wire the way I want to without it getting pinched and letting it be concealed. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it in the middle here. Put this seat back. Alright, I think we have what we wanted. Or should I bring it down a little more? Yeah, let's bring it down a little more. Why not? Always trial and error. Alright, there we go. I'd say right above these little black clips might be the ideal position. Alright, let's try this again. 1, 2, perfect. I think that's even better. Alright, and once again we are gonna put this in the 12 volt socket that I have left in the center console, and we're good to go. All right, and there you have it, guys. Fully installed, ready to go. Obviously, it's not gonna look what it's supposed to look because it's not dark yet, but obviously that's coming. So I wanted you to see what it looks like when it's ready to go. Everything is installed, everything is concealed. I think I don't know if they have an app to use the different color modes, but the remote requires 3 AAA batteries. So I mean, if it has to come down to it, that's no big deal. I'll just put it in the glove compartment, but I would much rather have an app. So I'm gonna check the website to see if they have an app to operate the light. If not, I'll just go get some batteries from the store. No big deal. All right, now we're gonna install the door lighting. These are pretty simple. You just pop out the old one, put in the new one. You can literally use a butter knife. Just make sure that when you put it in, it's on the right side and it works. And then that's it. You just put it right back in, make sure the wire doesn't get messed up, and you're good to go. Pretty simple. That's why it's always good to double check first. There we go. That's exactly where we want it to be. Now we want it to look. Now just get right back in there. Nice and snug. Never throw away the old ones. Keep them just in case. And just put them right back in the bag where you got them. That's it. Simple. And after this, you just rinse and repeat and you're good to go. All right, so I went ahead and installed the little key fob cover and I think it looks great. It's a perfect snug fit. The only thing I must say that it does attract lint, so just be careful with that. It's easy to clean off though. It's not like it's a huge deal. But it looks great, it fits tight, and it grips really, really nice. So don't know how long it'll last, but from right now, it looks beautiful, gotta say. All right, guys, well, there you have it. You saw what it looks like at night. It looks great, it looks beautiful, especially the fact that you get to change the color in the modes. Footwell lighting on my doors, they all look complete. You know, it wasn't that bad that I only had the front, because nobody really goes in the back of my car. Nobody goes to the back seats. Every now and then I'll have my kids, and you know, they don't really care about that stuff. But whenever I want to go out and show out, you know, now I can show the whole thing, open up all the doors, and be on full display. My next thing is, I guess I'm gonna redo the interior lighting, because I saw some better ones that I liked, but I don't know. I know it's gonna be pricier. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get them, but it shouldn't be too long. It should be soon. But the thing is, the only reason I'm concerned is that I want to get an extensive version of it. I want to do the doors, the back, front again, and you know, that kit costs quite a bit more, and the fact that I want so many wires and stuff like that is gonna run me about $half a grand. So we'll see what happens, but for now I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the way the key fob cover came out, the door lights, and of course the window restrict in the back. So let me know what you guys think. If you want to get your own wind restrictor, you can always go to the website. I'm gonna have a link on the description, and they have so many different options. Like, you could do customized the customized display. They do it for you. You send them a picture, and it could be whatever. It could be your logo, it could be your name, it could be anything. And again, it could be the same way with the colors. You could always just get it so that it connects to your one of your light fixtures. And you know, you can get it one color or multicolor. I always suggest multicolor because it gives you the most variety. But yeah, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think. Hit up the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next one.